Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. So today's video is going to be about me decorating my dining table. A little bit of summer fun, how about that? Alright, so let's get started. Okay guys, so first we're going to start off of course by, wiping down my table just to make sure that it has that nice polished look. I usually use Pledge. I believe that I've had great experiences with Pledge on wood. If you guys have other products that you've used and that you will recommend, of course, I am open to it. But I definitely start off with the Pledge first. And I use like a soft microfiber cloth on the wood with the Pledge. So that way it has a smooth finish. It doesn't scrape the wood at all. And it gives it that nice, clean, polished look overall. So I spray the wood down first and then I wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to, of course, put my tablecloth. I usually put tablecloths on my table because they last longer that way. Less scrapes, less scratches on the wood. It keeps the polish nice and clean. I've had this table for years and it still looks really, really nice because I've always covered it with a tablecloth. Sometimes I even cover the tablecloth with a plastic, but it all depends. It all depends on my mood and how I'm and what I decide to do that day. So this time I just decided to put the tablecloth on. This tablecloth is actually waterproof. I got it from Overstock. I don't think it's still in stock on Overstock because I've tried to get more in different colors and I've had no luck. But it's such a great buy. I usually use coasters on my table, but if I end up forgetting to use a coaster, if my cup sweats because of course of the ice, the tablecloth does not become drenched. It does not become wet. The water literally rolls right off of the tablecloth. Now I'm going to add my table runner. I got this table runner from Wayfair. It is gold. It has that nice little splattered gold foil all over it. I absolutely love it. I fell in love with it the minute that I saw it. I actually have a cushion and a throw blanket that I have gotten as a gift for Christmas that kind of matches this table runner. So I thought it was like a perfect touch to my dining table because, which kind of accents off my living room. So, there you go. Now I am going to add my placemats. I got these placemats from, I believe it's between Amazon or Wayfair, or maybe even Overstock. It was one of those three, but what I'll do is I'll probably look it up and then I will drop the link in the description. So that way that you guys can look it up if you like it and you want to purchase these on your own. But I have a strong feeling it's between Amazon and Overstock more so. And I will also drop the link for the table runner as well. That I recently received, so I will definitely put that in there. So it should still be in stock on Wayfair, so that way you guys can get it if you want. Right, so of course I like to make sure that my placemats are aligned with my dining chairs. So the next thing I am going to add to my decor is this beautiful vase that I got not too long ago from Home Goods. Now I can't drop no link to this because you guys know how Home Goods is. It's a first come, first serve, grab and go, while you're in there. So I had to just, purchase that really quick when I saw it. And it wasn't expensive at all. It was it's such a really nice buy and it went with my table decor. And I also added these nice new floral accents there. These floral accents I created myself. I got the vase bases from Amazon and I added I designed the flowers on my own, and the flowers I got from Dollar Tree. So now the charger plates that you guys see that I'm putting on, which is like an emerald color, a nice teal, deep teal color, these I got from Wayfair as well. I wanted a nice little teal and gold theme in my dining area, so that was like my concept. I absolutely love it, and I will definitely drop the link in the description for that. The napkins that I'm placing on each charger plate now, I've also got from Wayfair. They are super cute. I thought they were perfect because they have like an accent of teal and an accent of like a light grayish color that would just go perfectly with the table. And what I did was I got like this little gold ribbon, and I just tied a little simple knot in the middle of them, just to give it that nice little soft look. Nothing crazy, nothing too, out of the ordinary. Now I'm going to add my candle holders. These I believe I also got from Wayfair, but these I got for a while back for my wedding, and this was like 3 years ago. I am not sure that they still have it. I will look and try my best to drop it in the description. If you guys see it there, that means I got lucky. The candles I also purchased separately to include inside of those candle holders. Super cute. I believe it's Wayfair or Overstock, but it should have been Wayfair. Now, these Moscow Mule Cups I got from Overstock. I got them engraved with the letter W, which represents my last name, my married name, my household, my husband and I. So they have engraved the letter W. I will look them up, and then I will drop the link. I'm sure Overstock probably still has them. That's where I got them from. Now, these little glasses that you see here, they have like a cute little baby on them. I actually got these as a gift, so I cannot even say where I got these from. And they were perfect for my table. It was somebody special to me that gave these to me as a gift, and I said, wow, like, she knows me so good. She knew these would match my dining table, so I had to put them on there. I had to include them in the overall look. And last, I am adding these nice glasses, cheers, to my dining table. I initially had a set of 4, but one of them broke. So I said, you know what? Let me just put 2 of them on there. Got these from Overstock. But there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy my little quick table decor. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to just give you guys a little bit of close up on how everything looks just from a quick close eye view. I hope you guys love it. If you guys have any questions at all on where I got anything in terms of the links or any of the descriptions, and if you guys have questions on the clock, I also got the clock from Overstock. Such a funny story with that clock, but I'll drop the link for that clock as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want more of these nice home decor ideas. All right. Thank you guys. Bye.